What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Halfway Kicks. My name is AJ, and this is
Bendo.
And we are out here in Santa Monica. We are picking up some shoes.
We are picking up the 4's. We got a little sneaker pass.
And these are dropping on...
Today. It dropped this morning.
That's why they're releasing it for you to pick up today.
What is today's date? Saturday, January 15th.
So we're going to go up to the store and get the shoes, and then probably head back to the studio. To do a little review.
Mm-hmm. So you guys can check them out the same time we are checking them out. Here we are. Got the kicks. Size 12. Video coming soon, guys.
All right, we're back here in the studio, and you saw earlier we were at Santa Monica, and I don't think we had a chance to say Happy New Year's to everybody.
Happy New Year's.
So Happy New Year's from Halfway Kicks. This is our first video of the new year, and we got the, as you saw, Jordan 4's.
Air Jordan 4 Red Thunder?
What is the actual name of these?
Red Thunder.
Red Thunder. Down under.
But it's weird because it's just like it's black, nubuck, and just red.
Yeah.
And then if they want to make it to like the other 4, the Thunder 4 is just like not that much red.
Yeah.
Could have been like the Toro 4s.
Yes.
They should have retro those.
Yeah.
Nike.
I would. Yep. Because I need another pair of those. I actually sold mine.
Yeah.
And another day of regret.
That's true. I sold them too.
But when you saw us in Santa Monica, we only had one pair.
So, shout out to my coworker, the homie D, for letting us the second pair.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you, by the way.
Let's get into the shoes.
Ooh, so we got one each here.
It's the regular box.
Regular Jordan 4 box.
They should have. Oh shit. They should have made the box more red too.
I mean,
right?
I think they could have maybe inverted this a little bit.
Yeah.
Like
if you're gonna make it Red Thunder, but don't do a little razzle dazzle on the box, is like, what are y'all doing? Go check them out, man. Let's go check these out. Oh yeah, they are nice though. They are nice.
Oh, I didn't even know they had a white Jordan logo on the back.
Like books. The Jordan 4 is like one of those shoes that you can style the most.
Yeah,
I feel like.
Yeah.
To me at least, because like you can't. I like to wear them loose, like no laces.
I know. I see.
just loose, as loose as I could get.
They are pretty tight though, right? Like I mean, you do have to loosen them up because every time I put on my 4's, they're
like narrow.
Struggle, yeah, real struggle to get them on.
Retail price is $190, and the resale price is kind of crazy right now. It's like going up to at least like $350.
I see it dropping.
Yeah, these are gonna drop.
These were a general release, right?
I don't have any luck waking up at 7 in the morning and getting a pair, but I always get lucky getting the reserve.
It's funny because every morning at 7 o'clock, I'll get the text message like
L.
L. But anytime there's a sneaker reservation, you hit.
I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is.
Maybe we should share your secret.
I don't even got a secret. It's like tap, 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 you know, and it's like, oh, here it is. Pick them up at Santa Monica at so-and-so time. But these are...
They're nice. I mean, I think they're a nice shoe. I don't think they're anything like crazy.
Yeah.
But
definitely not worth the resale price.
Yeah, I think retail price would be where I would be for these.
Yeah.
But the nubuck suede all the way around the shoe.
It's crazy because between the little leather right here on the insole is black, red, but it has that little stripe red.
Yeah.
You guys will see in the B-roll. But the shoe is nicely made.
And there's a different material behind the netting, right?
It looks mesh.
Yeah.
Huh. The underlay, that's what they call it.
It looks different. Is that the normal material they use? I feel like that's a different material, no?
You know what? As long as it's not leather, because I've seen them retro leather one, and it just doesn't look right.
Yeah.
But this is a nice shoe. It's dope to have. And
4's are popular. Okay, let's talk about 4's real quick. What is your favorite 4?
My favorite 4's, besides not counting the black and red one, you know.
Yeah, no.
But the toe 4's are my favorite. Okay. You see me wear those a lot.
I've seen you wear those.
Those gotta be.
Taupe 4's are you said taupe, right?
Taupe 4.
Yeah, yes. Taupe 4's probably maybe top 2 for me. Definitely those Toro 4's were really nice too.
Yeah, the Toro 4's.
Can't get over those.
Like we said on the Lightning 4's, those are top 3 for me, just because nostalgic and
yeah,
you know, you had to have like real connect back then to have them.
Yeah.
So just those 2. I haven't worn the Thunder 4's yet, but.
So what's your vibe with these? You think you're keeping these?
We'll see. I have like a lot of 4's. And
yeah.
So
I mean, it's kind of like a shoe that you already have, right? Like the color, black and red. It's very.
You just can't beat the Breads, and
looking
at the Toro 4, this is kind of like a downgrade to it.
It's right? Like it's not quite a Toro 4.
No. They should have just retro those
instead. They should have, yeah. But I do like the white Jordan logos on this. I think that stands out. You have it on the bottom. You got it on the tongue.
Yeah.
And on the back.
Oh, you know what? These would be better as a golf shoe.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
For all you golfers out there. But, you know, that is about it on these ones. You can wear these with anything. So,
yeah.
If you guys like to be stylish on the weekends, like kind of like us, since we work a lot, these are a good shoe to have. If not, if you have all the other 4's, then it's okay to set out on these.
I feel like you gotta wear this soon though, right? I mean, as soon as summer hits, you're probably not gonna be wearing this that much.
No, like you gotta wear these tomorrow.
And if it were me, I don't know, black cement 4's or these are in your closet, I don't know, which one are you gonna pull out? Black cement, right? So I don't know if these are a must for everybody, but they are nice. They're nice, subtle. Jordan with the subtle differences. I like the white that they included on these shoes. I think the inside of the bubble is also white.
Yeah, and the red is not really like the varsity red.
Yeah.
It's a little bit brighter. Not quite an infrared, but it's a little bit brighter. Once again, shout out to the homie for.
Oh wait, let's see. You saw the beginning of the video how we went to Santa Monica. Let us know if that's something you'd like to see more of in our videos. Right?
Oh yeah.
Because I mean, you really only see us here in the studio. You don't really get to see us out and about. So if that's something you want to see, drop it down below. But other than that, I think we will skip to the B-roll. Maybe some bloops after.
A lot of bloops after Santa Monica.
Depends how much we mess up.
Halfway Kicks, follow us on Instagram.
Yes, sir.
Halfway_Kicks. My name is Bendo.
My name is AJ, and we'll see you next time.
Peace.
The bloopers!
Here at Santa Monica, it's Halfway Kicks. That is it.
We'll see you
Halfway Kicks. We out. And we're gonna pick them up.
That's it?
That's it.
Be straight, sir. Not you.